Hi, this is Krishna Merchant and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets ended slightly higher on Wednesday, reversing some of the losses that they clocked on Tuesday on back of gains in pharma and auto shares. The Sensex was up around 0.4% or 75 points at 18,505 and the Nifty was up around 22 points at 5,620. Banking stocks were reversed some of the losses that they clocked on Wednesday after the RBI raised the provisioning for restructured assets to 2.75% from 2% earlier. State Bank of India was up around 1.7%, ICICI Bank gained 0.5%, while HDFC Bank was down around 0.5%. From the auto space, Maruti Suzuki was one of the top gainers, up almost 3% after it clocked better than expected results during the September quarter. Revenue was up 8%. Remember, during the quarter, the Manesar plant was shut because of the labor unrest. Tata Motors was also one of the top gainers, up almost 2% after Goldman Sachs said that the automaker will clock the 30 billion sales mark by 2017. BSE Healthcare Index was also one of the top sectoral gainers, up almost 2%, helped by Glenmark Pharma, which was up 8% on back of threefold jump in net profit. Dr. Reddy's was also up around 2% after net profit was up 32% on back of sharp improvement in sales, US generic sales as well as pharmaceutical services business. Among the other stocks, Hindalco was up 5% after it got an approval for the Mahan coal block, which it had acquired since 2006. Analysts said that while Nifty has taken support around 5,600, further downside cannot be ruled out, especially after RBI policy kept interest rates unchanged during the policy, which dented investor sentiment. That is all for today. Do stay tuned to livemint.com to get more updates.